There's a storm coming. And that was a little blue jay probably warning the others. Today is VEDA, August the 10th, 2015. Wow, look at this storm front coming. And I'm standing in the backyard. It's the south of me. It's gonna get really bad, and once it starts pouring, I'm gonna go back inside. See how the clouds are moving? There's a huge wall coming over here. I just saw lightning. There's my hibiscus. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, it's starting to rain, so it's gonna pour. I'm in the carport right now. Yeah. And the heavens just opened up. Look at the rain. And that blue jay is still warning its friends. Wow. Oh my gosh. It is bad. Yeah. Wow. Okay, now I'm like, wow. That's so heavy, it looks like snow. Yeah, just like a minute ago it was all dry. And now, wow. It's literally raining cats and dogs. Wow. That's a huge black maple tree over there. You could hardly see it. The rain is so heavy. But like I said, I'm in the carport, so I'm pretty much safe. Yep, saw lightning. Oh, that was bad. This was a fast-moving thunderstorm. We have direct TV, and about 15 minutes ago the TV lost signal, and that's how you know it's going to be bad. And it is bad. Like a tropical rain. Tropical rain over here. Well, I'm glad I didn't have to water my flowers. Everything's getting a good soaking. It's just what we needed. And, that's my new little cherry tree over there that the town planted, and it bloomed really beautifully. They planted it like last year, and it bloomed really pretty over the spring. So that needs water for sure. I'm going to try to move it a little closer here. Just so you could see the streets. And see my new petunias. I moved them up because I knew there was a storm coming, and they were on the tip of the steps. So at least they had this underpass to protect them. I think that's always good to do.